Good day everyone! So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-solve ng mesh analysis. Kung gusto niyo matuto, just keep on watching. So, gagamitin natin is KVL, loop 1. Submission of voltage is equals to 0 at mesh. So, negative 20 volts plus 10 volts plus R1 plus R3 multiplied by I1 minus R3 multiplied by I2 is equals to 0. So, paano nga ba ito naging 10? So, negative 20 volts plus 10 is equals to negative. Okay, susunod natin dito is 10 plus 25. Paano nga ba naging 25? So, nakalagay dito is R1. Ito po yung R1 is 10 ohms. And R3 po is 15 ohms. I-add, di ba po nakalagay dito is positive. So, i-add po natin siya, kaya siya nagiging 25. 10 plus 15 is equals to 25. I1 negative 15 multiplied by I2 is equals to 0. Ito-transpose natin siya dito. 25 I1 negative 15 I2 is equals to 0. Multiply by natin ng 5. So, 25 divided by 5 is equals to 5. I1. Negative. Ito naman po, 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. I2. Is equals to, ito naman po, kaya naging 2 kasi 10 divided by 5 is equals to, loop 1 po siya. Loop 2. Negative 10 volts plus 35 I2 negative 15 I1 is equals to 0. So, paano nga ba ito naging 35? Yung R3 and R2 and R4, i-add natin siya. R3 is 15, R2 15, and R4 is 5. Kaya naging siyang 35. Negative 15 I1 plus 35 I2 is equals to 10. So, i-divide po natin siya ng 5. 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. I1 plus 35 divided by 5 is equals to 7. I2. 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. Loop 2. Para makuha naman natin yung ampere, yung result dun sa loop 1 is ilalagay naman natin dito. 5i minus 3i2 is equals to 2. Ito naman po, ilalagay natin dito plus 3i2 is equals 2 plus 3i2 is equals to 1 ampere. Dinivide po siya. Divide. So, para makuha naman po natin yung ampere sa loop 2, kukunin naman po natin yung result sa loop 2, lalagay natin dito sa baba. 3i1 plus 7i2 is equals 2. I1, ito po na I1 is equals to 2 plus 3 plus I2. Galing naman po siya dito sa I1 na para makuha natin yung ampere. Dinivide po siya sa 5 minus negative 3 I1 plus 7 I2 is equals to 2. Ito po, galing naman po siya dito sa loop 2 na result. Kaya po yung sagot po, yung ampere po, I2 is equals to 2 ampere sa loop 2.